Good morning, people. It's already Monday, December 2. Dapat uuwi na kami din December 1, but our flight keep on canceled twice. Una doon sa Jensen, pangalawa dito sa Manila. So the last flight we have is Manila to Bacolod. So right now, we have stayed here in this wonderful hotel in Manila, Century Park Hotel. We have rest for a while. Thank you, by the way, pal. Kahit naka-cancel flight kayo, you have given us a good rest for a while. Sa ngayon, nandito pa rin tayo sa room ko sa Century Park Hotel. Nasa 14th floor ako na-assign, and some of my teammates from Let's Pray Pilipinas Bacolod is on the other rooms and other floors. And ito yung room ko. Nice room. First class. Kung yung aming sundo na driver is 5-star daw. So I have a wonderful view here ng buildings sa paligid. I don't know what exactly is this place in part of Manila, but I'm happy I have experienced Manila City. This is my first time to came in Manila. Yung sinasabi na malas na swerte. Pumunta tayo dito not because we have a appointment here in Manila, but because we have a rerouted flight na dapat General Santos to Cebu, pero naging General Santos to Manila via Manila to Bacolod. Yun dapat. Pero pagdating namin dito sa Manila, yung nag-transfer kami ng terminal number from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2. Pagdating namin doon, cancel naman pala yung flight namin. So, we have tried to negotiate with Philippine Airlines yung mga available flights kahit sa ibang airlines, but sadly, walang available flight na earlier than the 11 a.m. this December 2. So, they given us a rest with this wonderful room. I don't know what is exactly yung price nitong room kasi nung nag-google si Jem, it's about 3,000 something. Pero yung sabi nung aming sundong driver, it's about 6,000 something kasi 5-star hotel na to. And I cannot deny it. It's all actually amazing hotel. If may pera ako at magbabakasyon dito sa Manila, I would choose this hotel. Wala naman tayong pera eh. Swerte lang natin ngayon. Malas tayo kasi 2 beses na cancel flight natin. Pero swerte natin kasi binigyan tayo ni Pal ng magandang hotel. Pasensya na po. Umuubo pa rin ako. So, Pal given us a wonderful hotel where we could stay. Ito lang yung room na binigay sa akin. It's good for 2. Good for 2. I have a rest well. Malamig yung aircon. Warm yung bed kasi sobrang thick ng ating comforter. I have taken a nice bath with the bathtub with the warm water. Control nyo lang yung tubig. Kasi nung una, sobrang init. Sobrang init pa sa tubig ng Mambukal doon sa Negros. So, medyo grabe yung adjustment ko sa tubig kagabi dito. Then I taken a shower this morning doon. Still, warm water kasi malamig dito. Pinatay ko na nga yung aircon. Sobrang lamig kanina nung naligo ako. So I adjust nyo pa rin. Kasi if makikita ninyo yung shower may 2 pihitan. So just adjust both until ma-adjust yung sa mainit. Okay? Yung warm. Huwag yung mainit. Masusunog ka. So yes, right now I'm drinking my tea. This room because we'll having our breakfast at 6. So update you later, guys. Not bad yung aming experience. God provided us pa rin. He make our travel safe and given us food. Hindi ko nga naubos yung food ko kasi kumain na kami kagabi. Tinay ko na lang. Kumain na kami kagabi until naalaman namin na may dalang dinner pala yung aming freebie mula kay Pal. So, yeah. Well, you can still give Pal a big score kahit na-cancel yung flight. I don't know. We don't know. Meron tayong mga hearsays kung anong nangyari talaga kung bakit na-cancel yung flight ni Pal. Hearsays naman. So, no confirmation. Hindi natin alam kung tama ba sinasabi ni Pal na ganito yung reason. Pero, we don't know. We just going to enjoy this delay that God has given us. We don't know what is the reason, but we will enjoy it. So, keep on joining us or keep on following us sa ating journey. Stranded journey here on my vlog. So, keep on updated on our montage. Going down, guys.
Going down.
Ano doon? May crystal map. So, enjoy the delay. Ito yung talaga yung enjoy the delay.
Oo.
We enjoyed it.
Enjoy it kaya na mo ang delay. But at the same time, na mo ang sabay.
Yeah. Nice.
Ay, aside na lang na siya.
Ito stress, may exam. At saka may upcoming na
Ay, delay mo kayo ko mo na stress sa exam. Actually, mag-study ko. Nag-study ko ito.
Very good. Nag-study.
Good student ko ka. Good student.
Yeah, take advantage na delay, meaning may additional time sila
Na
mag-study. So, tayo.
Lobby to.
Yeah, lobby. Yes guys, we're about to go na. Baba na tayo again. Thank you very much Century Park Hotel for a nice accommodation. I really going to reserve this in my mind to be back here if ever magpunta ako ng Manila with a private or family thing lang, not work. And if ever, I have money, it's about 3,000 something daw yung nightly dito. So I don't know if I can afford that, but it's okay. If ever tayong pera, we will be trying to afford it. So thank you again. Sanali. So again, thank you Century Park Hotel. Alis na tayo. Our van, I think it's waiting already outside. Our schedule is 7. But ano ba, yung ano, nagre-remix ka na. Nakalimot ka na Tagalog pala to, Manila pala to. Nagsisibuano ka pa rin. So, back to the airport na kami. Medyo makulimlim yung langit. Dito na kami. Hopefully wala ng cancellation of flights. Yan, yung gwapong driver namin, si Bossing, Kuya Victor. Si Bossing. So kanito to. Ay mo na yan.
Hello?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Ikaw ni Dan?
Hey. We're back to the airport. With medyo fresh na mukha na. Kasi nakatulog ka kahit pa paano. Nakahatab na. Uy, ang haba. Ang haba.
Naka-check-in naman ta.
Naka-check-in na to.
Boarding pass na ni.
Ano na lang tayo?
Bag
Bag drop na lang. Pero haba pa rin ang linya para sa bag drop. Yeah, so yan. Naka-check-in na kami. Bag drop na lang kami. So, i-bag drop, pwede na tayo bag drop siguro. Yes, boarding. Boarding. So, papasok pa kami. Ay, ID pala, ID. Hi guys, boarding na tayo. Change seat from 63H to 52J. 52J. Change seat ka man, ano? So, change seat tayo. 52J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I don't know what plane we are going to ride on. Ito ba yun? I think ito yun. 52J. Ito yun, I think. So, let's go. And check this plane out. But ang laki ng mga letter dito. Naiya. Hello, naiya. Daan lang kami. Daan lang kami Manila. Bye-bye Manila. So hopefully arrive na kami mamaya. Bacolod at last after more than 24 hours, more than it's almost more than, di ba? We're back in Bacolod. Thank you. Yes. We're here in Bacolod, guys. Bacolod na.
Finally,
Bacolod na. Maskara. Sinadya sa Bacolod. Maskara. Yes. Whew. Bacolod na. kukuha muna kami ng aming mga bagahe. Baggage is here. So, hintay na lang tayo sa mga kasama natin. Ay, wala. Lakad na kami. Bye-bye. Yes, let's go na. Let's go na. Na. We're going home. Kali na sa Bacolod. Ari yung ang aring NOC. Yes guys, we have arrived here at Bacolod na at actually dito sa NOC. This travel is so awesome, busy, tiresome, maraming natutunan, we enjoyed, and yes, so right now we are going, or I am going home na. Yung mga kasama ko umuwi na din. And hopefully guys, you keep on supporting my vlogs. Just don't forget to follow, like, and share. Pagod na po tayo for more than 24 hours na layover natin sa aeroplano. Imbes yung isang oras na namin sa original flight namin, isang oras lang na layover. Pero naging more than 24 hours. And but those time we have enjoyed it. Pagod. A bit disappointed a little because of what happened sa ating flight. However, we have enjoyed it. Thank you, by the way, Paul, for accommodating us dahil sa nangyari na canceled flights. And thank you also to, hindi ito sponsorship, but thank you to Century Park Hotel, sa lahat ng mga tauhan dyan for accommodating us, and with that bountiful, tasty, nice breakfast that we have. A quick actually breakfast, a 30-minute breakfast lang. Yung buffet. Maraming salamat, and thank you also NOC administration, Pastor Joy, also for including me on this Let's Pray Pilipinas travel. You know, we have enjoyed this time. So kailan kaya ulit? But yes, thank you very much everyone for joining me on my vlog through YouTube, to my YouTube account Yansky Cool, to my Facebook account, my personal Facebook account, and also my Facebook page Yansky Cool also, and my TikTok. Salamat sa inyo lahat dyan for supporting this vlog nakin. And sa iba naman na just want to watch the vlog, thank you very much. So yes, until my next vlog everyone, I need to rest na. Uuwi na tayo. Goodbye.